Hi, in this video I will show you an interesting feature, and it is the raised degree function. This function allows you to add control points both on flat geometry and on 3D solids. I will start a new project and we will begin by creating flat geometry. I will create a rectangle. I will switch to vertex selection. We have 4 vertices here, and when it comes to vertices of flat geometry, we can select such a vertex. Then we can activate the move command and we can change the position of this vertex. We click OK and we have changed the shape here. I will now press Ctrl Z to return this vertex to its place. Regarding flat geometry, we can add additional control points here. I select this geometry, I press the F key on the keyboard, and here I choose the raised degree command. This command can be activated by using the keyboard shortcut Shift+S. As you can see, additional control points have been created and we can select such a point. I activate the move command and we can change the position of the control point. We can add more control points. I select the geometry, choose the keyboard shortcut Shift+S, and more control points have been created. Such control points can also be added to 3D solids. I will turn off the visibility of the flat geometry. I will create a box here. And now I select the top face of this box and choose the raised degree command, which means I press the keyboard shortcut Shift+S. Control points have been created at the corners of this wall. I press Shift+S again Shift+S, and we can continue to add more control points. Next, I switch to point selection only. I press the 1 key on the keyboard. For example, I will select these points. OK. I choose the move command, which means I press the G key on the keyboard and move these points. Right-click to accept this. I select the next 2 points, press the G key, change the position of these points, and right-click to accept this. I select this point, press G, and change the position of this point. In this way, we can modify the shape of the solid. Also, as you can see, adding such control points can be very useful in freeform modeling or conceptual modeling. This allows us to create such free shapes very easily. We will finish here. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel.